Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set up for the first time the robot vacuum ROBOROCK Q5 PRO. So, in the first step we have to unbox the dock station and connect it to the electricity and try to turn on your robot. If you don't have the battery, you have to charge it by the dock station before. So let's hold the power button for 3 seconds, and as you can see, in my case now it's turned on. So, what's now? We need to go to the smartphone application. So I'm gonna show you how to do it on the Android. In the first step we have to open the Play Store, then look for the ROBOROCK app and install this one with the red icon. Okay, we got the application, so we can open it. Now we need to sign up if you're doing it for the first time. If you have the account, just log in. You need to enter the email. Oh, okay, we need to get the code, so just give me a second. Okay, so enter your email, tap on the get code, and now we need to copy the code from the email to this form. So, get the code, copy it. Sorry about the focus. Now go back to the application and enter the code in this field. Okay, we have also the Gmail registration, so we can just make the account by the Google, so it should be easy for you. Click on the Google icon, select your email, and tap on the continue. Now we need to enter the password. And agree the terms. Then tap on the agree, and tap on the add device. Now we need to add the permission to the camera to scan the QR code, so tap on the while using the app or once time. Then scan the QR code that you have on this sticker on the robot vacuum. Now we need to hold the 2 buttons to start the pairing mode until we hear the resting Wi-Fi.
Resetting Wi-Fi.
Check the mark, click on the next, and tap on the next. Now add the permission to the location. Now you need to enter the password to your network. You can also select the remember the password and tap on the next. Now tap on the connect to the Wi-Fi device. And now connect to the Wi-Fi from the robot vacuum.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Stand by.
And as you can see, I have some errors, so just try to make it once again. If you have this,
Wi-Fi connection failed.
if you have
Check
this error,
password
just
and
try to do
again.
it the same operation, but in your case it should be fine. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.